If you're considering purchasing Neural.ai, a generative AI software, there are 12 key things you need to know before making a decision. We'll break them down for you so you can decide if it's the right fit for your business. First off, Neural.ai is a powerful tool for automating various tasks, from content creation to customer service automation. But how does it stack up against other generative AI software out there? Let's dive in. The first thing to note is its ease of use. Neural.ai is designed with simplicity in mind, making it easy for non-technical users to get started. While other platforms may require a steep learning curve, Neural.ai offers an intuitive interface that makes setup straightforward. Next thing to consider is the range of tasks it can handle. Neural.ai excels at automating repetitive processes, such as generating text for blogs, emails, and social media posts. However, when compared to competitors like Jasper or Writesonic, Neural.ai still has a narrower scope of supported tasks, especially in more complex content creation. The third thing you should know is its integration capabilities. Neural.ai connects well with various third-party tools like CRM systems and social media platforms, but it may not be as versatile as competitors like OpenAI's API or other platforms offering more customizable integrations. The fourth thing is its customization. With Neural.ai, you can tailor outputs to suit your needs, but it's not as flexible as some of the more advanced competitors, which provide deeper control over generated content. So if you're looking for ultra-specific customizations, you might find other tools a better fit. The fifth thing is the pricing. Neural.ai is relatively affordable compared to high-end alternatives like GPT-4-based solutions. For small businesses or those on a budget, it offers decent value for the features it provides. However, if you need high-level performance or a wider set of tools, you may need to consider more expensive options. The sixth thing is its support and resources. Neural.ai offers good customer support and a solid knowledge base. But compared to some leading competitors, the community and the variety of resources available for troubleshooting are more limited. Seventh, the speed of the AI is another consideration. Neural.ai offers fast response times for content generation. But again, when compared to more robust solutions, some users have reported slower performance during peak usage times. Eighth, it's important to know that Neural.ai's content generation is mostly text-based. If you're looking for multimedia capabilities, such as video or image creation, you might want to explore other tools that provide a more well-rounded approach to generative AI. Ninth, when it comes to accuracy and quality of output, Neural.ai does well, but it doesn't always match up to the precision of top-tier AI models. While it produces good results, more sophisticated solutions may provide better accuracy for complex content generation tasks. 10th, Neural.ai does offer a free trial, which is always a plus. It gives you a chance to test the software's capabilities and see if it meets your needs before making a financial commitment. However, other competitors offer longer or more flexible trial periods, which might appeal to those seeking extended testing. The 11th thing is data security. Neural.ai promises robust security, but if your business handles sensitive information, you might want to dig deeper into its security protocols. Some competitors are known for more advanced and transparent security measures, which may be critical for larger businesses or those dealing with highly sensitive data. And finally, the 12th thing to consider is the potential for growth. Neural.ai is a solid choice for small to medium businesses, but as your business scales, you might find that you need a more powerful AI solution. In comparison to others, Neural.ai might not keep up with your growing demands for advanced features. So, is Neural.ai a good choice? It's definitely a solid option, especially for small businesses looking for a simple, affordable generative AI solution. But if you want a more powerful tool that can scale with your business and offers more features, check out our recommended solution, which you can try for free.